Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and this guide assumes you already signed into your account. Make sure you're logged in or some steps may not work as expected. So, you're having trouble with Asana. If tasks aren't silencing, projects aren't loading or notifications aren't coming through, follow these steps to fix it. First of all, try to restart the Asana. Just like this. The second step is the allow some permissions. Let's go to the settings, apps, Asana, permissions. As you can see, I allowed all permissions. Let's go back to Asana, and if it still lags or these steps didn't help you to solve your problem, try to install and uninstall your Asana. Let's go to Play Store. Just like this. So, if even this option didn't help you, the last two options that you can do, it's the check the Wi-Fi connection, and if it's good, if it's stabilized, if it works properly, try to reboot your phone. Just turn off and turn on it again. And I hope it will help you. So thank you so much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.